Hi, Fred here for Tuesday Tent Talk. Today we've got Nick Gould from Christian Party Rental. Third generation. His grandfather, Leo Gould, started the company up in, where are you up there, Nick?
In Hollis, New Hampshire.
Hollis, New Hampshire. His grandfather, Leo Gould, which is a great tent person and sort of a jokester, you know.
Yeah.
So what's it like to be a third generation tent person?
It's not too much different from a first generation besides working with your family all the time, and besides that, pretty normal.
Yeah. You going to college, you said, right? Where are you going to college?
Yep, I'm going up to UNH up in New Hampshire, up in Durham.
Beautiful, beautiful. So your grandfather started the company.
Mm-hmm.
Your father runs it now with your father's Brian?
No, that's my uncle.
Oh, your uncle, okay.
My father's Mike.
Mike's your dad. And what about Rick? Is there a guy out Rick there? He's your brother?
He's my other uncle.
Oh, your other uncle.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rick, Brian, and Mike are up there, and yeah, you guys done a lot with you guys over the years, and we appreciate everything. How's it been during COVID with the colleges and stuff? Crazy or?
A little slow at the beginning, but now we're picking up. Now we're pretty busy.
So, who do you think could pound a steak better, your grandfather or your father?
Honestly, I gotta go grandfather.
Uh-oh.
My dad's in the office all the time.
All right.
So.
Uh-oh. So, when's the last time you saw your dad pound a steak, you know?
Maybe like 4 years.
All right.
4 or 5.
All right. Well, good. So, he's down picking up an order, checking it out. What else can you tell that whole world of tent people out there that they should know? Any secrets now that you're a third generation working with the family?
Maybe
good days, bad days. What?
Maybe just buy more tents, I guess. I don't know.
Beautiful. So you come from a family of hockey players up there, right?
Mm-hmm.
You think putting up the tents help you with your training for your hockey, or is that just free labor for tent setups?
Guess a little bit of both, but mostly just free labor.
Free labor.
A little cardio in there.
Good. Well, sounds good. I appreciate it, Nick. And here again, Fred from Tuesday Tent Talks. If you've got a topic you'd like us to cover, please reach out at us at tttwemaketents.com. See you next Tuesday.
Have a good one.